Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to write na in cursive Chinese. Now, let's get started. Na. In standard script, it means that, those, or then. To write it faster, you can write like this. Na. Now check the following words and expressions. First one, 那些. Those. 那边. Over there. 那时. At that time. 那个. That one. The next one, 那里. There. 那 that, those, then. 那些 those, 那边 over there. 那时 at that time. 那个 that one. 那里 there. What other words and expressions do you know with na? Let me know in the comments. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.